Hi guys, thanks for joining me again as we say the sounds in words and then spell the words using the sounds we hear. Just inventing that spelling. Our first word is brush. Let's say the sounds in brush. Ba, sh. Once again, ba, sh. And let's write the sounds that we hear. Ba, sh. If you don't know that the S and the H make the sh sound, you can just invent it. Maybe I'll invent it right now with something different. Let's just pretend that I don't know to use the S and the H for the sh sound. I'm going to go ba, sh. Like that. It's okay, I'm just inventing it. Later, when I know how to spell it the right way, I will make sure that I always do. But for now, this lets me spell anything I want to. The next word is crib. Crib. Let's say those sounds. K, ib. K, ib. And let's write the sounds that we hear. We've got our little finger space. K, ib. Great, that's not too hard, is it? What about the word skate? Skate. First, let's make sure we know what the sounds are. Sk-ate. Sk-ate. And let's go ahead and write those sounds. S-k-a. Skate. The next one is tent. That looks like fun, doesn't it? Let's say the sounds in tent. T-e-n-t. T-e-n-t. Okay, finger space. We have t. E-n. I think we have one more word left. Yeah, this is our last one. Jump. Okay, let's say the sounds in jump. Let's jump when we say the sounds. Are you ready? Jump. Oops, I said the word, not the word. We're saying the sounds. Let's try it again. Jump. Pa. Do it with me one more time. Jump. Pa. And let's go ahead and spell jump. Here we go. Ja, pa. Okay, I hope you had fun. See you next time.